Today we present you a rich and colorful side dish, gratinated vegetables. Ingredients: 1 eggplant, 2 zucchinis, 1 red pepper and 1 yellow pepper, 150 grams of cherry tomatoes, 100 grams of grated Parmesan cheese, 100 grams of breadcrumbs, extra virgin olive oil, 1 clove of garlic, salt and pepper, herbs, thyme, rosemary, oregano. Start by thoroughly washing all the vegetables under cold running water to remove any soil or impurities. Now proceed with slicing. Eggplants and zucchinis should be cut into slices about ½ centimeter thick. Try to maintain a uniform thickness to ensure even cooking. Remove the stem, seeds, and white inner parts from the peppers, then cut them into wide strips. Cut the cherry tomatoes in half to expose the pulp and allow them to release their natural juices during cooking. Take a non-stick pan or grill and lightly grease it with a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. You can use a kitchen brush or a piece of paper towel to distribute the oil over the surface. Once the pan is oiled, heat it over medium-high flame until it is hot. Place the eggplant and zucchini slices in a single layer, making sure not to overlap them. Grill each side for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until they have the characteristic golden grill marks. The vegetables should be slightly softened, but not fully cooked, so they can finish cooking in the oven. This grilling process gives the eggplants and zucchinis a more intense and slightly smoky flavor, which will enrich the final dish. There is no need to grill the peppers and tomatoes, as they will release their sweet and juicy flavors directly in the oven. After grilling, set aside the eggplants and zucchinis and get ready for assembly in the baking dish. Take a suitably sized baking dish and lightly grease the bottom with a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. Start by arranging the grilled eggplant and zucchini slices, alternating them with the pepper strips and the halved cherry tomatoes. Try to distribute the vegetables evenly, both by type and color, creating a uniform layer. You can slightly overlap the vegetables, but avoid stacking them too much. Alternatively, you can create multiple layers of vegetables, ensuring to alternate the different types to achieve a well-balanced final result in terms of flavor and aesthetics. For an even more inviting effect, you can arrange the vegetables in a circular pattern, starting from the edges of the dish and moving towards the center, creating a design that highlights the vibrant colors. Once the arrangement is complete, you can proceed with adding the flavorful breadcrumb mixture that will give the vegetables their characteristic, crispy, gratinated and rich, aromatic flavor. Start by taking a medium-sized bowl and add the breadcrumbs and the grated Parmesan cheese. Then add the garlic, previously peeled and finely chopped. You can enrich the mixture with herbs, also finely chopped. Thyme, rosemary, and oregano are the recommended herbs for this recipe, but you can also experiment with other herbs to your liking, such as parsley or basil. Add the herbs to the bowl and mix everything well with a fork or spatula so that all the ingredients are well combined. Add a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil to the mixture. The oil helps to bind the ingredients and give a slightly moist texture, which will allow the breadcrumb mixture to adhere better to the vegetables. Mix everything again until you get a homogeneous and slightly granular mixture. If the mixture seems too dry, you can add a bit more oil, but be careful not to overdo it to avoid making the mixture too heavy. Now distribute the mixture evenly over the vegetables arranged in the dish. To achieve even coverage, you can spread it with your hands or a spoon. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius and cook for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until the vegetable surface is golden and crispy. Remove the gratinated vegetables from the oven and serve them hot or at room temperature. To stay updated on new delicious recipes, subscribe to our channel and visit our website. Gratinated vegetables are a classic of Mediterranean cuisine that enhances the natural flavors of the vegetables. They are not only delicious, but also healthy.